Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best outdoor lights. After hours of researching, we have selected these 5 best outdoor lights and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Security lighting. Motion can be detected by security lighting up to 70 feet away. Security lighting, which is typically the brightest outdoor lighting, is used for safety to illuminate broad areas and deter potential thieves or rambunctious animals. This lighting is set in high places, such as the eaves or over a garage, to send broad beams of light downward onto main walkways or the entry to the backyard fence. The greatest option for security is to install motion-sensing floodlights on the surface of outside siding or walls. These lights have 2 or 3 housing units with bulbs within, and they only turn on when built, and sensors detect movement in the surrounding area. Prowlers are exposed by their bright lights, which may also trick them into believing you are home and vigilant even when you are not. Our pick for security lights, available in black or white and sold by Amazon, Ring's floodlight is weatherproof and compatible with other Ring lights, a Ring doorbell, and even Amazon Alexa. Its 2 optical LED lights generate a strong 2,000 lumens to illuminate your environment. Number 2. Path lighting. Path lighting is mild to moderately bright safety and landscape lighting created to make sidewalks easier to navigate while also beautifully highlighting them. Install it on the ground to highlight the curves of flower beds, along stepping stones from the main walkway to a backyard feature like a fountain, or along key walkways from the back entrance to your fenced door. They consist of a decorative bulb housing unit coupled to a small post you drive into the ground. Energy-efficient solar versions don't need any additional cables. Due to a solar rechargeable battery or a remote solar panel you install somewhere else in the yard that receives direct sunlight, these lights will remain on for several hours after dusk, even if your walkways are shaded. Our favorite path light. This exquisite 6-pack of solar path lights by Signature Garden receives good marks from Amazon customers and features a stainless steel finish and cylindrical paints, along with its LED bulbs, auto on/off power, and crystalline solar panel. The light's water resistance is another appeal. They emit a pleasant white light and are very simple to install. Number 3. String lighting. String lighting is a kind of low-voltage accent lighting that creates a cozy, welcoming atmosphere that is ideal for entertaining wherever there's activity. Hang string lights from the post of an outside pavilion or gazebo to illuminate patio chairs, the eaves of the house to illuminate an outdoor kitchen, etc. Look for outdoor string lights that are waterproof, rechargeable, traditional battery-powered, solar-powered, and preferably ones that include long-lasting LED bulbs. Such lights eliminate the need to extend extension cords across the yard, enable lighting in remote areas of the yard without electrical outlets, and guarantee that lights remain on safely even when spattered with rain. Our pick for string lights. Spread 48 feet of Brightest Ambience Pro weatherproof string lights over your patio table or beneath a pergola so you can relax in the soft white light of 15 indoor or outdoor bulbs. These retro chic Edison-style bulbs are not only fashionable, but also cost-effective. These LED will be less expensive to use during their lengthy lifetime than standard incandescent choices. Number 4. Lanterns. Lanterns provide soft, low-voltage accent illumination. They are frequently put up close to the rear entrance to draw attention to an elaborate wreath on top, an arch, or a transom window. The majority of lanterns are semi-flush mounts, with a glass and metal exterior attached to an arm fastened to a plate on the wall. However, battery-operated tabletop lamps bring that same visual intrigue to eye level while subtly illuminating items that you would grab for when gathering outside, such as bowls of food, beverages, board games, and more. To produce diffuse, glare-free nighttime lighting that doesn't compete with other garden lighting fixtures, use lanterns with a translucent rather than a clear glass covering. While there are many variations of the typical wall-mounted lantern, with its sharp corners and rectangular shape, feel free to get creative. If your taste is more farmhouse or coastal, you could choose Globe Electric's contemporary matte black rendition of the cage lantern. Customers on Amazon are consistently impressed by the quality of this reasonably priced light and its seated glass shade. Number 5. Deck lighting. Deck lighting is moderate to high intensity, standard voltage lighting intended to highlight nearby garden features while assisting people in getting up, down, and across the deck at night while avoiding tripping hazards and visual clutter. You can safely walk over them without ever even sensing them because they are installed as a series of LED lights that have been recessed into surface grooves. Deck lighting is also appropriate for the area around the deck's perimeter, between the stair steps or along the deck stair railings. The best deck lighting for preventing trips and falls at night is to illuminate the deck's edge and its stairwells. Consider SMY Lighting's recessed LED deck lights whether you're planning to build a new one or repair an old one. The lights have a diameter of a little over 2 inches and a depth of almost 3 inches. They can survive weather conditions and foot activity while maintaining a steady glow. When placed 3 feet apart, the 6-piece set ought to provide enough illumination for a few deck steps. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.